Lesson 7. In this lesson, you will learn 3 action verbs in Malagasy that you can start using right away in real conversations. The verbs are to go, to eat, and to do. Listen first, and then we will practice each one.
Mandeha any an-tsena aho.
Mihinana vary aho.
Manao inona ianao?
Let us begin with the first verb. The Malagasy word for to go or to walk is
Mandeha.
listen and repeat.
Mandeha. Mandeha.
Now say the word for to go.
Mandeha.
You can use this word anytime you talk about moving somewhere, to school, to work, or to town. For example, the word for market is
Tsena.
And to the market is
Any an-tsena.
listen and repeat.
Any an-tsena. Any an-tsena.
Now to say I go to the market, you say
Mandeha any an-tsena aho.
the word
Aho.
means I. Listen and repeat.
Mandeha any an-tsena aho. Mandeha any an-tsena aho.
Now how do you say I go to the market?
Mandeha any an-tsena aho.
Now the second verb, the Malagasy word for to eat is
Mihinana.
This is one of the most useful verbs in daily life. Listen and repeat.
Mihinana. Mihinana.
Now say the word for to eat.
Mihinana.
The Malagasy word for rice is
Vary.
Rice is a very common food in Madagascar. Listen and repeat.
Vary. Vary.
Now to say I eat rice, you say
Mihinana vary aho.
listen and repeat.
Mihinana vary aho. Mihinana vary aho.
Now how do you say I eat rice?
Mihinana vary aho.
Now the third verb, the Malagasy word for to do or to make is
Manao.
This is a very important verb. You can use it for almost any activity. Listen and repeat.
Manao. Manao.
Now say the word for to do.
Manao.
You already know the word for what it is.
Inona.
Do you remember it?
Inuna.
And the word for you is
Ianao.
listen and repeat.
Ianao. Ianao.
Now to ask what are you doing, you say
Manao inuna ianao.
listen and repeat.
Manao inuna ianao. Manao inuna ianao.
How do you ask someone, what are you doing?
Manao inuna ianao.
Now it is time to practice. Try to answer in Malagasy. Take your time. Listen to the question and say your answer out loud during the pause. First question, someone asks you, where are you going? Answer that you are going to the market.
Andeha ho aiza ianao?
Mandeha any an-tsena aho.
Second question. Someone asks you, what are you eating? Answer that you are eating rice.
Mihinana inona ianao?
Mihinana vary aho.
Third question. Someone asks you, what are you doing? Answer that you are eating.
Manao inona ianao?
Mihinana aho.
Excellent. Let us review the 3 verbs you learned today. How do you say to go in Malagasy?
Mandeha.
How do you say to eat in Malagasy?
Mihinana.
And how do you say to do in Malagasy?
Manao.
Wonderful. If you can answer these 3 questions, you have already started speaking real Malagasy. See you in the next lesson.